Rakuten Marketing Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and top programs are in the description. Now let's get into it. Rakuten Advertising, formerly Rakuten Marketing, is a well-established affiliate network known for its premium brand partnerships and advanced tracking technology. It's designed for serious affiliates who want to work with high-quality merchants, particularly in fashion, retail, and finance. Unlike many networks, Rakuten focuses on quality over quantity, meaning affiliates get access to well-known brands that aren't always available on other platforms. One of Rakuten's key features is its advanced deep linking, allowing affiliates to send traffic to specific product pages. The network also provides detailed reporting tools, helping users analyze clicks, conversions, and earnings efficiently. Another major advantage is its exclusive partnership model. Some merchants only run affiliate programs through Rakuten, giving affiliates a unique earning opportunity. The payment structure is also flexible, with commissions varying by merchant, and the platform supports multiple payment methods. Now let's talk about strengths. First, Rakuten's reputation attracts big brands, meaning affiliates can promote well-known companies with high conversion potential. The platform's tracking system is highly accurate, ensuring commissions are correctly attributed. Additionally, Rakuten offers periodic bonus incentives and exclusive deals, helping affiliates maximize earnings. However, there are some drawbacks. The approval process is stricter compared to other networks, making it harder for beginners to get accepted. Some merchants have high traffic requirements, which may limit opportunities for smaller affiliates. Also, while the interface is functional, it's not the most user-friendly, requiring some time to get used to. Payment frequency is another consideration. Rakuten pays monthly, but merchants set their own schedules, which can lead to delays. So, is Rakuten worth it? If you're an experienced affiliate looking to work with premium brands and value accurate tracking, it's a strong choice. However, beginners may find it challenging due to stricter approval requirements. Check the links in the description to explore top programs and start earning today.